Hey there, Jeepers out there. Are you tired of having to hit the auto start stop button every time you get in your vehicle so that your Jeep doesn't shut off every time you come to a stop? Well, stick around. I've got your solution. Here we have the auto stop eliminator for the Jeep Wrangler 2018, 2023. It's also the Jeep Gladiator 2020 through 2023. So this will disable or allow us to actually program this auto stop button. So let's go ahead and get into it. See what's in here. So we have the device with the harness, and then just a one-page instructions. So let's go ahead and get right into this. So it's easy installation, plug and play within 5 minutes. So it says first thing to do is to pry off the factory AC control panel as shown. So here they show it, actually they're shown from the left side. We're going to do it from the right side because there's a tab over here on the left side that makes it a little more difficult. So I'm just using this little film applicator. You can use anything that you don't want to mar up your dash, so use something that's somewhat soft or pliable. So you don't want to use like a metal screwdriver because that can mark it up. So anything like a plastic putty knife. Again, I'm using this, so I can just slide this under here just to get it popped off. Okay, just like that. So these just these tabs that are you're unsnapping. All right, now that we got that off, it's this plug right here. You basically just disconnect that from the console, and then with the harness, you take the female end of this, and you can just plug this in. Snaps like that, and then you take the other end, and you plug that into the back of the dash console. It snaps in there like so. And then we just need to tuck this down inside the back here. Yeah, see if we can get you. See, I'm just tucking it in where there's space. All right. Okay. Got dash all snap back on. So there we go. So that's all there was for installation. Okay, now for programming, here it says auto start stop light off. Press, then release the button and see the light on. The system will memorize the status and keep it for all ACC key circles. And then for auto start stop light on, press, then release the button, see the light off. The system will memorize the status and restore it to factory functionality. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this program. So we'll go ahead and start the Jeep. Okay, we're running. So now what we'll do is we'll press the button, release. So now we can see that it is currently on, which means that it is disabled as far as the auto start stop. So we'll go ahead and shut the vehicle off. Now we'll start it back up, and you'll see that the light will come back on, meaning that it retained that program and it knows that you wanted to have the vehicle disabled. So there it is. Every time we start the Jeep, it's going to be disabled like that. So if you want to just reverse that, what you do is you just press the button, let go. So now it's off as far as being it's not disabled anymore. So it's just on the regular program, the default. So we'll start back up and the light will remain off because that's how it's programmed. So see, it didn't come back on. So this thing is a huge saver of not having to worry about pressing that every time you get in your vehicle. I love it. It should have came factory like this, but they allow you to program other things that it retains in memory, but for some reason Jeep didn't think to do this. So thankfully, these fine folks decided to make this, and it's saving the day. So I highly recommend this product. And anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell for upcoming notifications, and until next time,